There's something profound about looking up at the night sky. For as long as humans have existed, we've gazed upward and wondered. But what absolutely fascinates me is how we've gone from simply wondering to actually understanding. From ancient farmers tracking the seasons to building telescopes that can peer back to the beginning of time itself. Our story begins around 3000 BCE, with the ancient Sumerians keeping written records. They weren't doing astronomy for fun. Early farmers needed to track seasons for planting, sailors needed stars for navigation, and religious rituals were tied to celestial events. The first known astronomical observations come from China around 1300 BCE. By 3rd century BCE Greece, astronomy was transforming into actual science. Ptolemy and others tracked star movements with real rigor. In the 2nd century BCE, Hipparchus created the first star catalog using geometry and developed a system for comparing star brightness that we still use today. While Europe went through the Dark Ages, astronomy flourished in the Islamic world between the 8th and the 15th centuries, and the ancient Mayans independently developed their own astronomical systems between 300 and 900 CE. Then came the European Renaissance. In 1543, Polish astronomer Nicholas Copernicus proposed the heliocentric theory. The planets, including Earth, orbit the Sun, not the other way around. Revolutionary. Enter Galileo Galilei in 1609. He improved the telescope and pointed it at the sky. When he looked at Jupiter, he discovered 4 moons orbiting the planet. Undeniable evidence that not everything orbited Earth. But publishing these findings got him into serious trouble. The Catholic Church considered the heliocentric model heresy and placed him under house arrest in 1633. He wasn't officially pardoned until 1992, over 350 years later. Let's talk about the tools that make discovery possible. Your own eyes can see about 5,000 stars on a clear night. But telescopes? They opened up entirely new universes. Using curved lenses or mirrors to collect and magnify light, modern observatories like the Twin Keck telescopes in Hawaii have mirrors 10 meters in diameter. Radio telescopes like the former Arecibo Observatory collect radio waves, revealing cosmic phenomena invisible to our eyes. But space-based telescopes are truly spectacular. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, has a mirror only 2.4 meters across, but its location above our atmosphere gives it an unparalleled view. No clouds, no atmospheric turbulence, observing 24/7 in wavelengths that never reach Earth's surface. Over 30 years later, Hubble still takes breathtaking images revealing the cosmos's deepest secrets. Now, let's talk about scale. Our solar system contains 8 planets orbiting the Sun. The 4 inner rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The 4 outer gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Plus dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and countless smaller objects. We measure solar system distances in astronomical units, AU. 1 AU is Earth's distance from the Sun, 93 million miles. For deeper space, we use light years. The distance light travels in 1 year, about 6 trillion miles. Here's the mind-blowing scale. Earth's diameter is about 7,910 miles. Our solar system spans 178 billion miles. Our Milky Way galaxy, containing 100 billion stars, stretches 105,700 light-years. The observable universe contains at least 200 billion galaxies spread across 94 billion light-years. Wait, if the universe is only 13.8 billion years old and nothing travels faster than light, how can it be 94 billion light-years across? That's cosmic expansion. The universe has been stretching since the Big Bang, carrying galaxies apart faster than light can travel between them. Space itself is expanding. Finally, let me mention some celestial wanderers: asteroids, comets, and meteors. Asteroids are primordial metal and rock chunks from the early solar system, mostly orbiting between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are dirty ice balls from the far reaches of our solar system. As they approach the Sun, ice vaporizes, creating spectacular tails stretching millions of miles. Meteors are shooting stars, small rocks burning up in Earth's atmosphere. When Earth crosses comet debris, we get meteor showers. Fun fact, Halley's Comet has a 76-year orbit, last visiting in 1986 and returning in 2061. Mark your calendars. From ancient farmers tracking seasons to Hubble photographing distant galaxies, our journey to understand the cosmos has been extraordinary. We've gone from believing Earth was the center of everything to realizing we're a tiny dot orbiting an average star in one galaxy among hundreds of billions. And somehow, that makes it even more beautiful. Every time you look up, you're participating in a tradition stretching back thousands of years. You're seeing the same stars that guided ancient sailors and convinced Galileo that Earth moved around the sun. With modern technology, we can now see far beyond what any ancient astronomer imagined. The universe is vast, ancient, and still full of mysteries. And that's exactly what makes it so worth exploring.